This was a good question. How do you approach measuring ROI of data initiatives in a way that resonates with executive leadership? So there is this framework to basically measure, estimate, anecdote. So if you can measure that, and if you can measure an ROI or could show a metric that shows the value, then measure it. If not, can you estimate it? Can you give some sort of an estimate, even if it's within a broad range? It's still better than nothing. And if not, can you show anecdotally that this was a valuable thing, even if it's not perfect and it's not a measurement? Like even anecdotes can sometimes play a good role in convincing and showing ROI. Try to think about those three things. When you do choose metrics, choose simple metrics that are easy to understand. I mean, money is always easy to understand. Daily active users and typical growth metrics are easy to understand. Don't go crazy and don't shoot yourself in the foot. I've seen teams that come up with very sophisticated composite metrics that are very difficult to understand. They may measure exactly what the team cares about, but at the same time, nobody understands that. And it's hard to understand, okay, if I grow this random metric you just came up with by 5 points, is that good? Is that bad? Is that enough? What should I expect as a result of that? So don't do that. Choose very, very simple metrics, especially with leadership. And when these things are difficult, one of the things I like to do is ask the question, what happens if we don't do it? Sometimes it's difficult to explain why is it valuable, but at the same time, you can very easily show if we don't do it, these are going to be the implications, and sometimes that's a good enough answer. So measure, estimate, anecdote, choose simple metrics, and if not, then think about what are the consequences of not doing it. I think that's a good framework.